To synthetically divide, you're going to be dividing by x minus k. Synthetic division is a shortcut to long division. So it's only going to work when you're dividing by x minus k. To get it set up, you need the leading coefficients of the terms. And if there are any missing terms, you need to put in a 0. So I have 3x to the third minus 9x squared. Now we're missing an x to the first, so I'm going to put in plus 0x, and then we have plus 8. These blue numbers here, these coefficients, these are the numbers that are going to go underneath here. Okay, so I have 3, -9, 0, and 8. The number we're going to put out front is k, and that comes from this. But we're dividing by x minus k, so we have to think about what is x minus what number. So to turn this into subtraction, we have x minus a -2. So the k value there, the k value is actually -2. So if this is plus 2, the k is -2. If this would have been, say, x minus 5, then the k value would have been positive 5. Right, so I'm going to take this -2, I'm going to put that right there. Now we have the division set up, and we're going to get it started by dropping down this first number. So I'm going to drop down the 3. So drop it down, and then we'll multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add until we're done. And so we've dropped the number down. We're always going to multiply the k value by the number underneath the line, write it down, add it together. So -2 multiplied by positive 3 is -6. Add those together, -9 and -6 make -15. Then we're going to repeat. So multiply the number out front times the number under the line. -2 multiplied by -15 is positive 30. So we're going to write that there. Add 0 and 30, make 30. Repeat. -2 times positive 30 is -60. Add these together, and I have -52. Just like these numbers here were the coefficients, these numbers are the coefficients and the remainder on the final answer. And because you are always dividing by x to the first minus k, your final answer will be 1 degree less than your original polynomial here. So since this one was to the third power, our answer is going to be to the second power. If this was to the fifth power, then our answer would be to the fourth power. It'll always be 1 degree less. Whoops. So now, since it's going to be 1 degree less, I've written for x to the third, x to the second, x to the first, left some space for a number, plus the remainder over what you were dividing by. So we were dividing by x plus 2, so we're going to have a remainder over x plus 2. And then these red numbers here, the 3 goes here, minus 15. That's a positive 30, so plus 30. And then the 1 on the end is your remainder. And again, your remainder goes over what you were dividing by, so plus negative 52 over x plus 2. This is a shortcut for long division, and it's a pretty big shortcut.